What is up, everybody? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 ways to make more money pressure washing in 2021. I'm joined with a special guest. Mr. Aaron Parker is in the house. Aaron, what's up, brother?
What's up, dude? How are you?
I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. I'm glad we could come together and collaborate on this. We also have a big announcement that we want to make. We just want to let you guys know that the price on Local Dom will be increasing tomorrow. So if you're interested in getting in at the current price point, be sure to click the first link in the comment section and the description and take advantage of that.
Man, Justin, why has the price got to go up, man?
People have been making way too much money with this course, man. We've been getting check stubs sent to us. We've been getting just testimonials.
Most people, what they do is they release a product, right? And then they go down in price. Right. But that's completely antithesis to the thought process. We're an early bird gets the worm kind of group, right? You guys understand. You at a party, you see a beautiful girl, you better go talk to her because she might disappear. That's how we got to run it. And guys are having massive success with this information. It's really cool to see guys apply it. And so price got to go up.
So if you're thinking about getting into Local Dom, get in now while the price is what it is before it goes up tomorrow. So in this video, we are going to be talking about 3 ways to make more money with your pressure washing business in 2021. And the first one that we want to talk to you guys about is upsells and add-ons.
Yeah, for sure. Like upsells and add-ons can double your tickets. And I know that a lot of guys understand the need for that. But I also know that me personally, I really sometimes got lazy on that when I was selling stuff. So don't get lazy on your upsells. If you can spot something and it's easy for you to do, and it's, you know that it's going to be profitable, it's not going to add a ton of time to the day. You're going to be able to kind of make a day out of this one project. That's the goal. I mean, if you could stay in one location for the whole day and then, bring home $2,000 in one truck, that's the idea. So keep your eyes open for simple, easy upsells. That's my criteria. I need an upsell to be very difficult for the homeowner with his equipment if he were to do it himself, but very easy for me if I'm to do it. That's why I don't do any like gutter brightening, gutter whitening, stuff like that, because that's just hard. All right. That's a lot of work. And, you can miss spots and stuff like that. You can actually take the paint off gutters. It's not something I offer. So find something that's easy that you can do with the equipment that you have, upsell it. Obviously, I like it to be difficult for the homeowner because that's how I can kind of get in there and sell that ticket and persuade them to do it that day. So get your upsells right.
Absolutely. Make sure you get those upsells going so you can increase your average ticket price, thus making you more money. And that kind of brings us on to the second one, and that's increasing your knowledge. So with regards to chemicals, stains, how to treat things, those all can be upsells as well. But Aaron, kind of speak to increasing the knowledge on chemicals and other services that we can provide.
Man, I'm noticing, especially with the guys who have gotten the course, like I've had a dude reach out recently that he got the chemical knowledge. Some of the stuff that we wanted to focus on in there is that those unique stains that a lot of people don't even know they're stains because they haven't recognized some of these things because you're just like, oh, that's normal on the side of a building. It's like, no, that's not. And it definitely can be something that you can cold knock or cold approach somebody. If it's a city hall or whatever it is, they got some efflorescence coming out. You're able to basically go in there and sell that deal with the knowledge. But that's another thing, man. I'm speaking on knowledge. I'm one of those kind of guys who I try to take 5% of my gross and throw it back into knowledge for that year. I would love to get to like, 15 or 10% of the gross to throw it back into knowledge to where I can really start churning some money, because every time I've either went to an event or purchased a curriculum or a course, my money always goes up. And it's always a point of contention, man, dude. I'm country, Justin. I'm from Alabama, bro. And sometimes you just can't weed out that country thing in you. You're nervous about spending the money. You're like, I don't know. It's funny. It's weird. It's like, but every time I call my bluff and I invest in my knowledge, whether it's an event or a course or something, I always 10x my money.
Absolutely. So increased knowledge is going to be incredibly valuable. Like Aaron said, cold knocking, taking care of some of these chemicals helps with add-ons, helps with upsells, helps with communicating with your customers. The next one that we want to talk about, and you guys probably already know this one, but it's keeping up with existing customers and taking care of existing customers.
If you can set up like an email campaign to follow up, right, with customers last year or customers 6 months ago, or something that's going to be an automated drip, that's going to be your best bet. But also, and my brother would be a testament to this, Pierce at Soft Washers, dude, he is an animal when it comes to phone call follow up. Pierce will be driving, he's calling old customers, and he has like a couple hundred people who are just on an agreed yearly or an agreed 6-month deal with him, where he shows up and they clean. And that's because he has a relationship with them. That's because he's been following up with them. But those are two things that I would really recommend you do. I understand that calling customers is kind of stressful sometimes. You're just, it's kind of like it's not really a cold call. They've already given you their money. So people who have given you their money already are very willing to give you their money again. That's why it's a gold mine. A lot of us are always out here. You hear me talking about SEO all the time. Yeah, that's cold. That's cold. That's fine. You're going to close a bunch of those people, and we want to get as many people in the door. But these people who have given their money to you over the past year, 2 years, they are a hotbed. All you got to do is basically call and remind them they need it cleaned. They're ready to go.
Absolutely. So make sure you guys are keeping up with existing customers. And if you guys need a CRM, check the link out in the comment section description. That's going to help you guys keep up with those customers. And if you made it this far in the video, we actually have a bonus tip for you guys. And it's going to be to develop new marketing tactics or to perfect old ones. I think a lot of times guys lean on the same way of getting business and they do the same tactics over and over. And they don't really see any increased return on it. A lot of times they're not investing on new knowledge, new ways to go ahead and go about learning new marketing strategies. So I think that's something that could be really beneficial to guys. What do you think, Aaron?
Completely, man. Like, I was a guy, they always say you can't teach an old dog new tricks. And it's funny, man, because a lot of guys buy into that. I think it's BS. I think you could definitely learn how to market, or frankly, how to have the courage to hire. Either one. You're going to need to do one of the two. You're either going to learn it or you're going to hire somebody to do it. But understanding the importance of it, understanding the importance of spending thousands of dollars a month on your marketing, thousands with an S. You need to come off of that money, because if you have somebody who's competent in running those ads or competent in writing the copy on your flyer, they're competent in either, Google or Facebook or something, your SEO person, that money is going to come back to you. Okay. It's not a question of if, it's a question of when. And the beautiful part about our business and our industry of pressure washing is most people are not going to heed this advice, which is great for you if you do. All right. I could literally beat the dead horse, and I will continue to beat the horse of SEO, websites, ads, marketing, pushing it. And 90% of the people watching this video right now are going to go, and it's going to go in one ear and out the other. And they're going to continue to do their way as we move into an AI digital age going in 2021. Hopefully the apocalypse doesn't happen. That is something that you definitely need to invest in the knowledge or have somebody do it for you. I just had a guy reach out recently. He's been in business for 7 years and he just got a website 6 months ago. And I'm like, bro,
what were you waiting on?
Websites have been around since, like, I don't know, 95 or something. Google wasn't really kicking then, but like waiting so long. Yes, you can do cold outreach to, commercial clients. You can knock doors, right? That's how I started. You can, but you need to create what I call a cast net. It's a big cast net to collect those people with high intent to buy. I need to collect Janet in the G-Wagon. All right. She got a little dog. Little Yorkie dog. The place is massive. It's covered in algae. She's running to the G-Wagon, taking the dog to the vet. And she goes, "What is it called?" "Oh, it's pressure washing." Pressure washing. go. And guess who pops up? That's what needs to happen. You need to be popping up when Janet in the G-Wagon, who knows nothing about pressure washing, nothing about exterior cleaning, types that in because she has high intent to buy. She's got an event happening in 2 weeks. It's a wedding at that mansion, and you need to be the person getting that phone call. If you're not, you're just missing out. You're missing out on a lot of high-ticket stuff. So keep your peripheral marketing going into 2021, but also focus on that site. Get that foundation right, man. If you're going to be in this game for the next 5 to 10 years, if that's your plan to make this a lifestyle, then do that.
Absolutely. There's a ton of things that you guys can implement in this year to make more money in your pressure washing business. I'll just go ahead and run through one last time. Upsells and add-ons. Increase your knowledge with regards to chemicals and other services that you can possibly provide. Keep up with existing customers, and then develop new marketing strategies, tactics, or perfect old ones. I want to mention one more time before we let you guys go that the local domination course will be going up in price tomorrow. If you're interested, click the first link in the comment section description and get in now. But of course, we need a word of the day. If you guys made it this far in the video, Aaron, what should the word of the day be?
Word of the day, Justin, is Janet in the G-Wagon.
Word of the day is Janet in the G-Wagon. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and comment Janet in the G-Wagon down below, and I will hashtag you a real one. My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. Until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.